didn't hear that. I'm trampoline. So yeah. Okay, it won't be on trampoline because it's raining. But it'll be a bad surprise. No, outside the rain actually. Well, I'll have some nothing in, guys. Because it'll be really cold out there. Because it's raining. So yeah, we won't be able to do on trampoline because it was raining. So yeah, I am snuggling now because it'll be very cold. I can already know that. But yeah, let's go out. So yeah, it's raining. Stop squatting. Yeah, it's not that. Whoa. It's not that heavy, guys, but it's still raining because I can't get wet. So it's not that heavy as I just said. This is not working, guys. The snuddy isn't doing much. Hello. Oh, okay, it's gonna help you. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, I didn't know the glasses with you. Oh no. Outside in rain. Not really heaven rain. Heaven rain. Kinda sounded like I said this. Guys, I made. Now it goes to the park, part 20 by the way. Go look at it. Ah! 21's also a whole thing because now it goes to the park, part 20. It's gonna have 3 parts. It just glitched, guys. Oh my god, the rain's going down. Oh man, that bit thing done. We're in summer, we're not having good days. You know what I mean, right? In the room. Yes, in the room be this one. Well, we're gonna turn that because it is still raining, but it's not even that heavy. Bye bye.